What number is in the thousands place? Let's do that again. We said 796,814. Okay, from here, let's name the place value. Ones, Jalil, your turn. Ones, what's next? Tens, hundreds, thousands. And then 10,000s. It's asking us to round it off to the nearest. Good job, Lynn. So we go to this number, which is in the thousands place. Good job. So, and we're going to, okay, maybe we need to get another paper. No, hold on, because we need that number. Okay, I need you to draw your arrow. We're looking at 6,000. Go ahead. Use that side. Draw your arrow. No. You made the 90,000. We're looking at the 6,000. Right here. It says we look directly to the right of the place we are rounding off. So we are rounding off the 10,000. We look directly to this one. And we are rounding off the 6,000. Come on, put your arrow, please. Okay, go ahead. So 6,000. Is it on the ceiling or on the bottom? Down. Okay, good. Where's your arrow? Please throw your arrow. What's going to be on the top? What's on the top? Here, the digit in the thousands place is 6. We are correct. And the value of 6 is 6,000. So now it's time to think. Is 6,000 closer to 10,000 or to 0,000? But a while ago, we are using the 5 as our guide. Is it closer to the top or closer to the bottom? Top, yeah. Did you get that, Jalil? This is our 6,000. Can you write 6,000 right here? Yes. Okay, good. What's on the top? Okay, go ahead. All right, so it is closer to this one on top. So because we added how many thousand? 1,000, okay. All right, so since the digit in the thousands place is closer to the higher value, we round up or down? Round up, okay. The place we are rounding is the 10,000s place, which is the 9, right? You following along? Okay. Which now has the digit 9 with a value of 90,000. We round that the place up to the next 10,000, which is 10,000, 10,000. Now 10,000 equals 100,000, which means that we have to add 1 to the 7 in the 100,000s place. So what's going to be our final number? happened to all these digits right here? The 8, the 1, the 4, or what happened to all this? Will it stay the same? When we're rounding off this, all of these digits becomes what?
Higher, lower,
No. We are talking only about higher and lower. On this side, the 6, but all other digits here becomes, you forgot about that? It becomes 0. That's what Ms. Peterson said. We following what Ms. Peterson is saying. All other numbers to this side become 0. All right? So you can also think it this way. Listen. Since we are rounding to the nearest 10,000, we started with 79 10,000. Right here. 79 10,000. And had to round up to 80 10,000. Because the thousands place just to the right of the place we're rounding to had a value of 6,000. Which was closer to 1 10,000 than to 0 10,000. Did we get that right? Santana is not agreeing that we are going to make all of this 0. You agree now? You remembered? Okay. Sorry. Okay. All right, so that's the rounding off. What's another test question? Let's find out. Woo! Can we quickly go back to that? Because we had it wrong. The area. Okay, let's explain that one. Come on, you were sleeping a while ago, so let's listen to the explanation of this one. Come on, guys. We don't want to repeat that mistake. Santana, come on, 5, 4, 3, 2. All right, let's go. I'm going to read the problem, okay? Roberta, all ears? Roberta has a rectangular shelf. And Lynn made this shape, rectangular. The shelf has a length of how much? 40 inches. And a perimeter of how much? 104. When we say perimeter, what do we mean? No, what is a perimeter? When you say perimeter, when you see a word perimeter, what does that mean?
The answer.
All around. So Santana, it's given us 40, which is the length, so this should be not area. Length. How did you find out this one? It did not give us the 12 and the 12. Where did you find that out? Where did you get that? You and Lynn worked on it. How did you get the 12 on each side? It only gave us the 40. Louder, please. Good job. For Lynn said this and this are the same length, and this are the same length. But how did you find out that this is 12? You're referring to your paper? Okay. Tell me. All right, come on. Okay, how did you find out? Explain to Jalil because he was sleeping. Okay. Jalil. Okay. All right, Jalil, listen. We got the 12 from, oh my lordy, okay. We got the 12 from, listen.
Okay. So 40 plus 40 is 80, right? That's the length.
40 and 40, because Lynn said it's the same.
And the questions, there are 12 and 52. Two of them. So we decided to add them to see if we would get a perimeter.
A perimeter.
So we did 12 first, and we got our perimeter. But we still tested 52, and we didn't.
So did you do a trial and error?
Huh?
Did you do a trial and error? So you tested it. Okay. Okay. Let's simplify it, okay? So we know the 40. Yes?
Yeah.
Lynn said they have the same length, so this is 40 and 40. We're looking at this one and this side, but we know that all of the sides is equal to 104. So, would it be easier if we get this and this would be 80? 40 plus 40 is 80. And get 80 from here. That would leave us with what?
Wow.
No. 104 minus 80 is what? Santana, 104 minus 80 is? Okay, in the test, Lynn will have a calculator, Santana will have no calculator. So how are you going to work on that? If you don't have a calculator, you're going to use your scratch paper. Jalil, you will have a calculator too, so use. Did you get the same? Huh? 104 minus 80 is what? Lynn said 24. Is she correct? Lynn said 24. 104 minus 80 is 24. Is Lynn correct? But you have a scratch paper. Oh. Okay. What did Ms. Peterson said? We can use. You don't standard algorithm, right? 104 minus 20.
24.
There you go. You want to use standard algorithm or you want to use base 10 blocks? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, another 50, and ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ones are represented with the dots. So, minus 80. Scratch out 80. Scratch off 80. You know that is 50, so, okay. 50. 60, 70, 80. So what's left? 20 and the ones. 24. There you go. So Santana, if you do not have a calculator, use your other strategies. Either standard algorithm or base 10 blocks. Okay, we got the 24. But we put here 12. How did it become 12? We got this one, and both of this as 24. So how did we get 12? Lynn, how did we get 12? 24 for both sides, and they are equal. So, what did we do? Try again. We did not do 12 times 12. We did 24 times or divided by the two sides. No. 20. See? 24. Santana, come here. We are so bright, but we need to understand where is it coming from. So 40, 40, and both sides 24. So what did you do with the 24? Where did you get the 12? From the choices?
Yeah.
From the answers? This one?
Yeah.
Okay. So if you answered letter C, which says 40 plus 12 plus 40 plus 12, you are getting what? The area or the perimeter? Okay, the perimeter. See? You're getting the perimeter if you answer letter C. But the question is, which expression best represents the area? Okay? Represent the area. So you know that this one is 12 because you got it from the choices. But the question is the area. So what are we going to do? Jalil.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh wait.
How did we get 12? Okay. We know that the area, Miss Peterson said area is equal to what? Length times width. L times W. Can you change those letters into numbers? What is our length? There you go. What is our W? There you go. So which is our answer? Letter A or C? A, yay! You agree now that it's A? Okay, you agree that it is A because you are really fighting for letter C. When we say letter C, it's gonna be the perimeter. What happened? So we got the, you can get this, we know that it's 24 for both, so we just divide it into two. One side and one side. So 24 divided by 2 is, what is it? 24 divided by 2 is?
24 divided by 2 is 12.
Is it 12?
You said 12.
Oh.
What?
What?
I'm not. I
24. Okay. This one is not looking like you're gonna get it.
I want that with the cheese in it.
No, not divided by 2 because it's two sides only.
You said
So
24
don't
divided by
put
2.
4, 2. Okay.
You said 24 divided by 2.
Uh-huh. 24 divided by 2, what is it?
12.
12.
Okay. Reset. Alright. Got that? We have 2 correct answers now. Let's go to fractions. Let's go back to 2. Hey, go. Sit up there. Are you still with me?